Aru crepe ho ani ke pasat lang ang thek paklang jiaphan seba pen ani ke ho. Difu gop kule salong strong room aphan kilang kapangching. Karbi Anglong had put NS 36 up and 39 kachiling atwarpi akili ka hinu hectic mentu si kachiling atwarpi RJ kachiladun popusi rat atum kaningri Kardom Karbi prime time long penili junality mungpi non birtang tonpet aju ikha Board of Secondary Education Assam pen aru krep ho ani kep atsat lang made HSLC la pen Assam High Madrasa atsat lang ang theklang po la solam seba pensi pachethang Board of Secondary Education Assam seba pen aru krep ho ani kep atsat lang la pen High Madrasa atsat lang ang thek kapaklang rapet jia phan apor hot pontang lo satlang ang thek adap sir kep apor pensi chengji la soning gan thang thang krep pli ani kep atsat lang ki tok dun aphai kato ka ve banglak ki thomra suri phokep ra plira haru isira bang pli kep ra ki thom an aning kan wa son pining le thot ta satlang ang thek SMS pen ta long ji puta seba pen pachithang Difu gop kule strong room aphan ke ton kilang abang phuatum kilang kapang chinga sonsi theklong strong room kirai kom ji aphan long thom adim rai kom abang phuatum ke ton kilang kapang ching Difu election district apartment Difu gop kule long strong room pinchong si ajoana lo kilang pangching kling asonsi theklong strong room kirai kom ji aphan rai kom bang phuatum don waria thengno ang bong lapen strong room adung mek bilor pen kilang pangching Difu gop kule strong room aphan kilang kapang ching ason Bukajan strong room, Hamren strong room, lapen Haplong strong room along ta kilang kapang chingpon. Non malong kove ki chu along, sa kijun along lapen hitikula along pithe pitha election kapathu kerem hai hu alam si kachethan pathak det sita aru inkoira ki thomani election ang theka paklang hu si kerem ki hai tiniji. Disubai community hall along aruni bhai pliani All India Student Association Disubai branch committee atum pen patir piponsi mini conference kepadopon abirta cut news time along perang kepen birta nang pali ada porpai cap apor pen aisa Disubai branch committee amai pu star son timung pen song alama ingthur pondet api raikom be pen jalin ponsi karditang atum aphan malomso apor chikimu asai padopon lo labang so phi mai ke padopon ahut aisa DBC amai pu star son timung pen chipahem pupon amai alo Aluhi amana peng pensi PML HPC achun bang Robi Kumar Phangcho kakisa kongchun bang Gobin Tokbi Aisa Hills Committee achun bang Ranjit Kramsa SDC DTC amai puji tentero na pensi PML Singhason Area Committee achun bang version rong phar atum chetong dun labang solong pinang an chingwai chingsai padu ponsi starson timung aphan mai pula pen raikom be aphan chun bang arpu kimi ingwai pon thulo ang parta bang so mayalong arsik jit pen kaching wai pon laki ST SC la pen OBC reservation ingthanong le education fund ingthanong le choice based credit system aron Difu government college pen uthai nangji kep la pen UCC Karbi Anglong pen Dimahasau district along impose long le hempek nang piserak nangji la pen Hills Medical Council upon Medical Council of India hin pen approval piserak nangji pusi maya long adi doklong pen kaching wai pon pado non malom so poropan birta mung ton pon iksana
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88 008 or 0789 61 69021.
Montir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. See Montir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Karbi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Karbi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la pentesri alang hiti kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang Karbi alang, Teso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tarmit aduk, Telua kreng, Chitronola, Uktor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo pipotat birta long wang tulo. Karbi Anglong Hawar Dongput National Highway 36 apan 39 kecileng atau warpi kecileng apan akile kisung hektik. Lapuan kecileng apan akisung api anta to warpi kipa meji apan kithai kiding atumpen asap ta kasilam ji apan piniani anta kengkam kecejor pon avelang. NH 36 39 kecileng atau warpi Karbi Anglong Hawar pen angpata Nagaland Manipur lapen Assam along rialong prekja mahawar along bangso to warpen si cileng lo. Lakrong ni atau war kecileng apan akile rat atum kisung nang rintia puthak Pirang kepen lam kirip dun long anisi ani delahi tia long kurat ke cubi dun ahempu alang lihem akisar pressure stroke akiso difu along pen dimapur adak towar ke hino hektika jok kiso kilang ahem along letong thek thea ko towar ibeng along arong chivoy nang lopusi birta rip dun long lapen lapuson dak taksi ong dung abang hubang piatum kiso kachipon kisung kachitong nang rinti abirta rip dun long ang pata towar ke hino parpi ka jok towar pi along gari motor kaching thang lapuson kai ki ani amat tado Lason sinon hejong delay 14 miles along ihum LP truck lapen tempo tuar piang bong chit chingthang hamlo adungarai ke doara datum pale dunsi tempo opan ke pajok dunlo Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong engkang aruni bhai priani narlusuni arve ki janga jok difurong sopiang kang prek jama de malong langkang luma beta riptun long Bharat atalo pen nangki jab atomon lapen arve cyclone pheni Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong along aruni bhai priani arve nangki le jok pinang an hawar along kacheleng apan katura lapen langkang luma beta riptun long dipurong sopiang kang pinang an adi malong langkang luma beta long dun Pirang kepen adi malong ka humrida mahut kachini atengke rong sopiang kang pinang an adi malong langkili akrong mate dong chana mokha long leki thok thip lapen hem kachikim ajoksi langkang lumlong pusi beta riptun long Difu Ward number 9 angkang jasimet pen difu manja kacheleng atwar pi malom langkili akrong along hembri kachikim het lapen hem kachikim jia phan long leki thok thiba jok pinanga tum hem langkang lumpen kido kithak aphan kisung kachitong nang abeta longdun halapulur langso pachuak lamadung kido teron hem alongta langkang lum abeta longdun akisung kipo abang pu tumpen kapachini atengke langkili adim mate karwad along long leki thok thiba joksi non lapuson langkang lum long lupusi pachini Town Committee Chairman Birta ke long pen adima long palidusi JCP pen ke thok tip along le pasurlo. Karbi prime time manggela pon sikang ton pon iklo dumbi thakmi kurwang tu.